Okay, replacing the standard headlights on the MX-5 Miata. This is a 2007 NC version, which has had some foggy headlight covers, which I've recently polished with the Meguiar's aluminum mag polish. Works really well, but still, I'm ashamed to admit I need better lighting these days, so I decided to upgrade. And after searching and searching the internet, I decided to go with these from Headlight Revolution. The S-V.4, not the most expensive ones that Headlight Revolution sells, but pretty danged expensive anyway. They look like this. Actually, without that adapter plate on there, which I will show you. So they got the bulb, heatsink, fan, driver, plug, and that's what you get. Two of those for, I think it's 169 bucks. Like I say, it's expensive. But before I bought them, I emailed the people at Headlight Revolution and asked if I needed any adapters or anything. They said no, it would fit right in. So I pulled the trigger and here they are. Unfortunately, you do need an adapter. Okay, now after I had talked to Headlight Revolution, when I couldn't get them to install, they sent me an email and said, "Oh, bud, yeah, you can't." It's actually said it was impossible to install those in the H7 housing, and they would refund my money and give me my, including shipping, give me the money back, and I'd be good. But the problem was, by now, I had already seen how much light these things put out, and I kind of wanted them. But let me set some things up and I'll show you why I decided to keep these bulbs and try and make them work. Okay, so this is with one light installed. LED versus conventional. This is in the closed garage. There's still a garage door open, or a window over there, so I'm getting some light. But, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video, but you can actually see two spots where those LEDs on either side are shooting that light out and giving a pretty nice beam pattern. Although my garage is pretty junky, I'll shoot some beam patterns after I get the them done. Now this is why I did it, because I got this Lux meter for my phone, and it's just an app. I don't know where I got it from, but I'm going to hold it down here in front of the headlight and see if I can get a maximum reading. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. So I'm getting, this is about 2.5, 3 feet from the headlight, so I'm getting 74, 75 maximum, 7,400 maximum light from, that's the standard headlight. And then we move over here to the to the S-V.4 or S-V.4, and you can see now it's like 20,000. So that's over 3 times as much light. And say what you will about my testing procedure and how accurate this app is, but it's all I had. So with that, with those numbers in mind, I thought I might be able to see at night now if I get these things changed over. So that's why I'm going to try and make it work. Whether it'll work for you or not, I don't know. So let me go shoot some shots of how to make those adapters fit. I will be posting the adapters on Thingiverse, so they'll be available. So okay, so here's a shot of the beam pattern. Looks pretty good, nice clean cutoff. Looks like I might have to adjust the headlights down a little. Looks like it's shooting pretty high in that garage door because my driveway slopes up a little bit, but that's the comparison of brightness between the two bulbs. Just my standard phone settings, so make of it what you will. You saw the Lux stuff before. I'll back out in the street and shoot some down the street, see what that looks like. Okay, and that's the LED shooting down the road. Let me drive toward this house at the end of the street so we can see what the cutoff looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to lower that one, but it's cutting off pretty nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna have to aim the headlights down just a tad, but I'm really liking how much light that thing's putting out. Okay, so there's both headlights done. That driver's side was way easier going in through the fender well. If I knew then what I know now, I'd have done both sides through the fender well. So we'll see how much glare that is. I may still have to adjust them down. That's the cutoff on the garage. Lots more light. Let me back it out in the street. Okay, so there's 2 LED headlights. Again, that right one looks a little high. Hopefully a bunch of people won't flash me. Won't be blinding anybody. But I can certainly see a lot better, so that's what this was about. You can see that just an amazing amount of light compared to the stock headlights. Super pleased. Okay. Well, hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Bye.